Hello everyone. Today we have a very interesting vehicle. BMW X5 2013. It's an E70. It has an interesting issue. It stalled on the highway and then it restarted, and then when it was towed in, I couldn't start it for like 10 minutes, and then it started again and it drove. I'm gonna show you some photos of codes that I found on the screen right now. We have started taking apart things, and we have noticed that there is a pool of water sitting down there, right pretty close to the electronic module. It's an integrated power relay, and we actually had a code for that, something that sounded like that. So it's probably the culprit right there. Let's dig it up and see what it looks like. Here's that module. It was filled with water. The connectors are all wet. It was pretty much bathing in that pool of water that did not drain because the drains were clogged. Yeah, beautiful. So
Sure.
the module is filled with water, and we're gonna open it up more and see more. So here is the module opened. It's basically a relay, block of relays and fuses. There's a few relays here, a big fuse, the main power fuse, and some smaller fuses. And where the connectors were connected, we have corrosion, because that's the end that was sitting in the water, pretty much. Whenever it rained, the water just filled that space in there and kept corroding and shorting out these things here. Yeah, so we found a new one. We ordered a new one, but in the meantime, we're gonna clean it up, and we need to clean up the actual connectors on the vehicle, because that's the biggest issue there. So here's how it looks on the vehicle side. The two are not too bad, but this one is gonna require a lot of thorough cleaning. Maybe we'll even need to replace the pins. Thinking maybe that's a better idea. We've received the new integrated power module. Here's how it looks like. Brand new from the box. Made in Austria. Here's the part number if you're interested in replacing one of those. Let's start installing it. We've already pre-sprayed it with special lubricant for electrical connections. Now installing the main power wire, all these other connections. Yeah, this was the dirtiest one. We cleaned it nicely. That's it. Beautiful. So now the new module is installed. Maybe we should modify that drain to not clog again. How about that? We make a little bigger hole in there, in that rubber piece. Yeah, we should do that so that it does not happen again. That rubber piece we just removed from there, and the drain will never clog again. In conclusion, if you own one of these vehicles, I would strongly recommend to make sure these drains don't get clogged. There's one on the other side as well. Please make sure that both of these drains are not holding any water. Just take out the rubbers or modify them somehow I decided to just take them out because it's just easier and it's a sure way of not letting any water in any of the electronics. So have a great day and see you in the next video.